Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify with Aliexpress. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory, making it a popular e-commerce model. We will guide you through selecting and installing a suitable dropshipping app from the Shopify App Store. This integration is the first crucial step to seamlessly link your store with Aliexpress. Once connected, you can start building your product catalog with ease and efficiency. To begin, you will need to choose a dropshipping application. Apps such as DSers or Spocket are widely used for their robust features and ease of integration. Take time to compare their functionalities, subscription costs, and customer reviews to find the best fit for your business needs. After making your selection, simply install the app from the Shopify App Store and authorize it to connect with your store. This setup typically takes only a few minutes. Once your app is installed, importing products becomes straightforward. You can browse millions of products on AliExpress directly through your dropshipping application. With just a single click, you can add selected items to your Shopify store. Remember to customize product titles, descriptions, and set your profit margins. You can also edit images and ensure all product variants, like sizes and colors, are correctly displayed for your customers. The final step involves automating your order fulfillment process. When a customer purchases an item from your Shopify store, the order details are automatically sent to your dropshipping app. You then confirm the order within the app, which in turn places the order with the corresponding AliExpress supplier. The app also helps you track shipping progress and provides updates, allowing you to keep your customers informed every step of the way, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.